Hello everyone, this is Mika from dmcx.com. Today I'm gonna talk about John Degenkolb 2020 season bike, which is a Ridley Noah Fast Disc. Right. So John did join the Lotto Soudal team this year for the 2020 season. He's a super fast sprinter from Germany. He's a very tall guy. He's 180 centimeters. So this year he's starting the racing season on a new bike for him, basically. Actually, not only the new bike, it's also the components are new for him because he's gonna be now on the Ridley bike, which is equipped with Campagnolo gears. So the size of the bike is Ridley S size, which is 54 centimeters frame size, which is kind of small size, but as I previously mentioned in other videos in other reviews, like most of pro riders tend to stick with the smallest frame size as they can for their size. So it is the same story now with John. He's racing on the 54. So the 54 size is actually the virtual top tube horizontal line distance to the bottom bracket center axle. So that's how it's measured. It's also the size of the top tube. It is a 545 millimeters length. So this is kind of what used to be called like a square design frame. It's like 54 top tube size and 54 seat tube height, the frame seat tube length size. So that's what used to be called 54 as a both sides. So it's like they call it square because obviously you got horizontal and vertical x and y on same length. But visually the top tube is sloping, so that's it is designed to be very strong frame to reduce the length of the seat tube of the frame. The diamond is closer because the top tube is decreased height, so it gives a stronger frame. And also, if you look at the frame design, the seat stays are actually a bit lower, so it also gives a very strong rear end of the frame. So it's very powerful, and that's what we need for a big guy, which is happening to be a very strong sprinter. He already won a lot of prestigious race, including some stage. I think one stage of the Tour de France. So you can expect John needing a very strong and very efficient in power transfer frame design. That's his bike. If I go for technicals with the frame, if I remember, the head tube is 73. Let me just compare. 73 degrees head tube angle and 73.5 seat tube angle. The wheelbase is 977 millimeters. Front wheel axle to the rear wheel axle distance is 977 millimeters, which is pretty long for a S-size frame, and I think it's coming from the fork, which has a 50 millimeters rake, which is offset, and that gives a bit more wheelbase, a longer wheelbase, which translates to a better stability of the bike. So it's very good because the bike is with disc brake, and so maybe on the powerful braking, it's a kind of giving more safety for the rider, if I would say, right? And now talking about the components. So the bike is equipped with Campagnolo Super Record EPS, which stands for electric shifting. It is hydraulic disc brake type, and the gear are 12. Sorry, it is 12 speed rear cassette type. The crankset is 175 millimeters long. It is equipped with most of the time for John. It is the outer is a 53 teeth and the inner ring is a 39. The cassette is a 12-speed cassette, as I just mentioned, and it will probably depend on the race profile, the stage profile or the race profile. regarding the number of teeth. The wheels are carbon wheels from Campagnolo. It is a Bora one, carbon. It is tubular type, not clincher, not tubeless. It is tubular type, which means the tires are glued to the rims. It gives better power transfer to the rider. It's also more comfortable than any other type of tires. And the sponsor is the tire sponsor is Vittoria, so they are going to race on tubular from Vittoria with a profile. The section is 26 millimeters, right? So I think I've been pretty much all around. So maybe we can wrap up with stem length. Stem length is going to be, it is at 110 millimeters. The handlebar is 44 centimeters width, which is 440 millimeters width. It's provided by Deda. It is a sponsor for the components of the bike. Because if you look at the bike from the shelf at the bike shop, it is equipped with a stem and handlebar original from Ridley. The Pro are using Deda as a sponsor, and also because it gives them more flexibility to adjust the size. Like there are more choice of stem lengths and angles. So that's one of the reasons. Talking also about sponsor, the team is sponsored by Sea Bear bearings, which are ceramic bearings, and obviously the bike is fully equipped with ceramic bearings, which goes from the headset, the bottom bracket, the wheels also are on ceramic bearings, and also the pedals, which are actually from Look. So they are the Look KO carbon ceramic type. So everything is turning on ceramic, and it's obviously here we have an aerodynamic design bicycle, the frame and the fork, and all the bearings are on ceramic. So the goal here is to save as much power, to make sure everything is transmitted to the rear wheel very efficiently, no power loss, and because we are talking about sprinters more than hill climber. So here is more aerodynamics is most important. Now talking about aerodynamics, so I really like the bike, the frame design, the fork design is really nice. Especially if you look at a small detail, it's the fork on the rear at the fork rear. Sorry, I'm gonna do it again. On the fork, the axle, wheel axle, just behind the wheel axle, you got some little wings, and those are called the F wings by Ridley, and they are similar to the one you can see on the Pinarello F12 and also on the Scott foil. So those are supposed to decrease turbulence. So I don't know if it really works or not, but this is what it is standing for, and actually it is similar to what you see on the end of the wings of airplanes. It is there also to decrease turbulence. So I'm thinking, wow, okay, if it's good for the Pro, it should go also good for me. So I might design a next bike with some small wings behind the wheel axle. That would be very interesting. Right, so I think I've been all around. If any question or suggestion or comment, please do comment and I will make sure to reply to you. Right, thank you very much for watching.